Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. I'm Durgesh and in this video we are going to talk about complete hiring process for HCL requirement process, including online test pattern, interview round, session wise analysis and the preparation tips. If you are preparing for the HCL 2026 upcoming drive, so make sure you watch this video. Let's get started. So HCL hiring process overview. HCL mostly HCL drive following a three-stage selection process. Round first, round second, round third. So round first is an online test. The online test including aptitudes, logical reasoning, verbal ability, technical fundamentals, and CS coding, like a coding based 1 and 2 questions. This round is a 60 to 65 minutes and depending on a college drive on the off campus drive. So round second is a technical interview. This round is focused on programming language, data structures, algorithm basic and DBMS, OPS, operating system, computer network and project explanations, etc. So weak confidence and the end-to-end. Third round is a HR interview. This round check your communication skills, behavior, aptitude. So now let's talk about this HCL online test session wise explanation. So first session, aptitudes. This in this session you will be a 15 question and within the 50 minutes limit. So this session is a mainly focus on your basic mathematical and logical thinking. Topic for your preparation: so time work, time, speed, distance, profit, loss, percentage, probability, simple component, interest, etc. So difficult level is a medium. You have to solve quick, basic, speed plus accuracy. Both are. Next session is a logical reasoning. This session also contain a 15 questions in this minute. So logical reasoning check your problem solving, approach, analysis and thinking and the pattern recognition. Important topics including a number series, coding, decoding, blood relation, direction, puzzles, statements and synonymous, non-verbal reasoning, patterns, etc. So difficulty level is a medium base. And third session is the verbal ability. So here again you will be a face 15 question 15 minutes. This session test we will be a English communication and comprehension English. Topic in a verbal ability including and a reading comprehension passage, error spotting, sentence correction, fill in the blank, parajumble and etc. So difficulty level is a medium. If your basic grammar is a good, you can score easily in this session. So fourth session is a technical fundamental. So this session one of the most important session in the HCL. In contain 15 question 15 minutes and the question are based on computer science fundamental. Topic 2 focus on your DBMS, SQL, join key, normalization, operating system like a deadlock, CPU scheduling, memory management and computer network like a OSI model, TCP IP protocol and OPS like a concept of real life example, basic of the C++, Java, Python and data structure is a array, stack, query, linked list, basic. So different difficulty level is a medium to high. Concept should be a clear, not just memorize. Okay. And session 5 is a coding round. So you will be a 1 and 2 coding question and 20 to 30 minutes is time. Question are generally based on string array, pattern problems, sorting, searching, implementation, recursion, prefix, suffix, subtraction problems and matrix 2D array implementation. So examples like moving a hash is the front of the strings, like a rotations is array, find the longest substring without repeating characters, count the frequency of the element. The difficulty level is a medium to high. To prepare well, practice on your platform like a hacker rank, lead codes and code force, etc. So friend, this is the complete session wise explanation of HCL online test. I hope this video help you in your preparation. So if you are found the useful, please like, subscribe, shares and comment below within the company and process we will want to next. For watching, study